Today we have the Jackson meeting, Powell speaking around 10 a.m. So we're going to run down ES, SPY, NQ, and QQQ. We're going to do a quick breakdown. Right now, we're looking at ES overnight, a little bit of a little softness. Holding up though that yesterday value area high, right around that 41.82, 83 zone. We're also holding off a 41.79 level I have from a weekly chart, which, if we zoom out, let me see if I can show you this, was a level that was respected previously. Let me see if I can get to the full chart. Overall though, I think we're going to see a lot of volatility today. We're also, last night if you saw my tweet, I've tweeted two pictures to keep it very simple. Currently, NQ we have a head and shoulder formation, and on ES we have an inverse cup and handle. So I'm going to just show you this zone at 41.79 level, 41.89. Gets a little choppy, but if we follow this back, show you where this level ties into. This is right where we had this topping port formation. We had several different tops back in June. So just watch that level today. ES for the upside, watching really if we can get over 42.08. If so, we have some potential to really push. If we can get over 42.08, we can see 42.36 VPOC tested, then 42.55. Downside, we have VPOC 41.65 zone. Below that, we'll see we have 41.37, 41.41 zone. Gets a little tight, a little choppy here. And then below that, 41.08. SPY. Let's go over SPY real quick. SPY currently is around 418. SPY could push. We have that VPOC that's sitting up there. So I have a VPOC at 42.63, 422.63. If I go to my instrument actual levels, here we go. Give you a better breakdown. So we hit 419 yesterday, which is a beautiful trade. If we can get over and hold over 419, we can then definitely try to push that 422 zone. So I'd watch that for the upside. Downside, if we hold below 417 zone, we can then see a level of 415.21 tested. Below that, 413, and then 411.4. If 411 breaks, we'll see 409. So just watch that. We have that gap to notice. Inverse cup and handle. There's your cup. Handles right here. So if we break, that's usually a bearish formation. One thing to also mention, side note, everyone, tonight we have a live stream at 8 p.m. Eastern, so make sure you join the Discord. Hop in that. We'll be going over charts, patterns, how I use volume profile. And if you guys have questions, trades that you guys took that did not work out this week, we will go over that. That's the best way to learn. I review every trade, good and bad trades. You can always learn something. QQQ. Give you a rundown of that. QQQ, same thing. We have that gap to the upside. We can get filled. We have that VPOC above sitting overhead. I'm going to just show you. There we go. 323.2, we have a VPOC sitting at. We have a weekly POC all the way up here at 33.25. So if we can hold above 320, we can definitely get that push. Right now we're sitting around 319.31. We're a little bit in here. I wouldn't be entering trade. It's a little rough. Would wait. Right now, if you didn't catch the bottom, you didn't get that confirmation off this POC down here at 312.84, and you didn't play for that upside, I'd wait to find some confirmation of either a retest failure, then short from the top, or if we get a breakout and then retest confirmation about around 320, and then we push up. Watch for those two. We also have then that VPOC now for today, which was yesterday's POC at 318.52. Definitely a level to note. If we break down, we can see 316.86. Below that, we have a VPOC at 314.75. This zone gets a little choppy, as you can see. Below that, 312.84. And if all fails, 309.844 VPOC. Let's go on to NQ. NQ. This is where I mentioned we got to watch for that head and shoulder pattern. I have LOL as my chart name because it's kind of laughable how some of these levels, when you zoom out and just use only 2 or 3 levels, it shows a pretty good picture where we're at. So we got this neckline here at 12,823. We push up today. We can see VPOC 13,268 tested. Let me just pull up my actual level so you can see. Hold on one second. Computers are a little slow today on Friday. There we go. Come on. It's thinking. Meantime, you got that VPOC right up here at 13,268 zone. Why is this not showing? Should be showing. Okay, anyway, downside is going to be 13. Oh, it's loading. It's trying to do something. Oh, very nice. Thinkorswim does not want to act today. Gonna be very slow today. Okay. Hold on one second. Okay, so clearly my levels weren't loading for this, so I'll just plot them out then real quick for you. You got 13,368, 266 up here, VPOC. Below, we have, what is this going to be? 13,048. If that breaks, we can see another POC around here at 12,929. Watch this base here, guys, because if 12,821 breaks, we're going to see much further downside. Upside, if we really get a rally, we got 13,533. But watch that right shoulder formation. Here's your right shoulder. Here's your head. Right shoulder. You can see possibly a topping point right around this 13,385 zone. That's what I'd be watching for NQ. So that is all for right now. I'll see you guys in the live stream for tonight, and we will go from there.